How to fix Viber not sending pictures. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can fix if the Viber is not sending pictures. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first step that you want to try out is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection either via Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If your connection is weak, try to switch networks or turn the airplane mode on and off. And check whether you can send pictures or not. If that still does not help you, then restart the application by closing up the Viber application completely. After that, reopen the application and then try sending the picture again. If that still does not help you, then restart your device or your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity or app issue. For that, power off your phone, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Then launch the application and try to send the pictures. If that still does not help you, then try to clear the Viber application cache. For that, open up settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on apps. Here tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for Viber. Tap on it. Here tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. This will remove temporary data that might be causing issues without affecting your chat history. So once you have done that, you can close this and then you can open up the Viber and try to send the pictures again. If that still does not help you, check if you're using the latest version of Viber application. If the application is missing out any updates, you might not be able to send any pictures. So for that, open a Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for a Viber. If the application is missing out any updates, you will see update option, tap on update. Once the update is complete, now open up a Viber and check whether you can send pictures or not. If still not, now ensure that the picture that you are trying to send is within Viber size limits. Viber supports common files such as JPEG, PNG and GIF. So if the picture is in an unsupported format, try converting it before sending. And if that still does not help you, now look for the permissions. Ensure Viber has all the necessary permissions to access your photos. For that, again, you have to open up settings, tap on apps, then tap on Viber. Here, tap on permissions. And here, make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the Viber. And if that's not your case, and if still you're not able to fix your problem, then what you can do is simply delete the Viber application from your device and reinstall it back and relog in. And before you do that, ensure you have all your account credentials before you reinstall, so that you could relog into your account after you install the application. So these are all the way that will help you fix if you're not able to send pictures in Viber. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.